Hi, this is Cameron Wyndham, and this is the 4 Loco shotgun.
Hold it tight.
You got the large enough.
No.
He needs it large.
Is he trying to take off the whole bottom?
Yeah, he's just a little mouth spout.
Alright, Cam.
Hold this.
It's cold. Quit talking. Oh my god.
Don't spill.
Is that the whole thing? Or not?
Toss it on the ground if it's the whole thing.
Damn, that was quick. That was quick. That was before Loco was like 4 seconds. We'll be coming in the shame.
I gotta sit down.
That shit was Loco.
He's got to sit down, he says.
It was Loco. I haven't seen this shotgun radio inside. That was fast.
Brute.
How you feel? Did you stuff it up your throat or what? How did you do that?
You can shotgun and be in like a second.
He took it like he takes sticks or what?
Oh.
Yeah, he just said,
Ooh, I want to see this guy fucking Ralph. No? You ain't gonna puke? Say
He's
what's
gonna
up
be
to the
faded.
world.
What's up, world?